Hi everyone! Today we are going to make turkey bean chili. This is easy to make, delicious, it's packed with flavor, a lot of fiber, so it's so good for you. Alright, let's get started! This turkey and beans chili is packed with flavor. It is truly a comfort food. Here are the ingredients. As this is a medium onion, we are just using half of it. I normally use green bell peppers, but I didn't have it available, so I'm just using the red bell pepper, which is equally very nutritious and will add sweetness to the chili. Heat a pot on medium heat, then add olive oil, then saute the onion for about 2 minutes or until translucent. I added the garlic, and now the bell pepper. Saute for about 1 minute. Now let's add the ground turkey plus a dash of salt. Break the ground turkey in smaller pieces. And mix well. Put the lid on and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Grate the ground turkey even more. Now let's add the roasted chili peppers. Plus the jalapeno sauce. Don't worry, it's not gonna be too spicy, just a kick. And now the diced tomatoes. Mix well. You can tell I love mixing. Now let's add the beans. I only drained half of the liquid. This will help thicken the sauce. Don't worry, it will not have this metallic taste. If you'd like to drain the beans, I add a cup of chicken broth, then adjust the salt. Then add the corn and then now the aromatics, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and dried oregano. This dried oregano is from our garden during the summer last year. We had plenty of oregano, so I air dried them. And these are fabulous. They're fresh and organic. Mix well to combine once again. It smells so good. Now let's add the oyster sauce. This will give this amazing flavor to this chili. Now let's add honey. At this point, you may want to taste the chili and see if you will need to add more salt. As I have made this dish so many times, I know how much salt I will need to add. I'm adding the salt now, and then the chicken base. And after this, mix and bring it to a boil, cover and then simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now this chili is cooked. Yay! smells so good. I am feeling really hungry right now. You may check and taste it once again and adjust to your liking. Yay! I will show you how I normally serve this chili. Let's make it pretty. Let's add cheese. Any cheese will do. And the green onions. I'm adding chopped parsley and then cilantro leaves. The cilantro will give a beautiful, fabulous fresh flavor to the chili. Now we're ready to eat. Yummy! Okay, now the best part of the day is the taste test. Okay, let's do it. Look what I have. A beautiful bowl of turkey bean chili. It looks so delicious. Let's do it. Still hot. Wow. This is so good. It's delicious. Full of flavor. You know, all the aromatics that we put, and then I topped it with cheese and cilantro and green onions and a little bit of parsley. Yeah, for color and for the taste, for freshness. Really good. Still hot. This is my husband's favorite. He's right there watching me. He can't wait to eat this. Want some, honey?
As soon as you're finished.
Okay. I'm still filming. It's so good.
It looks good.
Yes. Mmm. Wonderful.
So good it'll put your shirt in the dirt.
Okay, I can't wait to finish this. You guys have a wonderful day. Hug your loved ones. And many hugs for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you want to check out another video, another healthy and delicious recipe, check this out. I'll see you soon. Take care and God bless. Bye.